Next rule.
Number 9.
In office or body, in office or body,
In
in office, n a n,
an office
in office,
In नहीं
or
है.
body
a n, in office or the body
और body.
can give report to the person to the person who has appointed that bodies or office, who has generally appointed that office or body. This is very very important things what I'm telling. Have you got the meaning?
Office or body can give report to the person who has appointed. अच्छा, person
Suppose
who was in
that
office.
suppose that National Commission for Scheduled Caste, the chairman of National Commission for Scheduled Caste has been appointed by the president, so they will give report to the president only. Means the person who was appointed, they
will
generally
report
they
to
give report to them only.
them.
For example, you can write for example Finance Commission. For example, CAG, Finance Commission.
Like you have given example on Niti Aayog that Prime Minister is the chairman. The people will report to Prime Minister.
Yeah.
Finance Commission, Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog is there, na?
Yeah, you can write example also Niti Aayog, no problem.
Think tank.
Yeah. Next rules.
ITI.
Shall be the okay, the appointment of statutory bodies, the appointment of statutory bodies,
Appointment of
statutory bodies are
statutory bodies
are generally
are
done with selection committee. Please mind it. Generally, all the statutory bodies appointment are done by the selection committee, not a single person. Okay. For example, CBC, Lokpal. Okay. They are all done with the selection committee actually. NHRC, SHRC. All these are statutory bodies. So their appointment are done with selection committee. See, you guys are not able to understand right now the importance of it, na?
ECI, ECI,
Hmm?
ECI. Selection committee is there.
Yeah, but it is not that rigid one. It has been done as a formally. But I'm
Give
talking about
example one more
statutory, na. ECI तो is constitutional body, na.
example.
Example,
NHRC.
NHRC,
NHRC.
yeah, and NHRC, CBC, Central Vigilance Commission, CV, V for, yeah, V for,
I have B.
V for,
V for boy.
B for
no,
boy. I wrote.
No, he will tell.
V for van.
He will tell like that only. V, B, no difference.
CBC.
V for boy.
Really, yes, he always gets ready to criticize me.
How many rules? Just tell us now once.
There are
These are
some
more
rules.
important real. We can
See,
confuse here.
you see,
don't know
you will
how
understand.
it-
You
when
will
your
understand the importance. Do you know when?
Classes.
When your classes will run and when you will solve the question of polity, then you will understand, because you will get so much confusion that okay, yeah, because I know that's why I made this for my own current convenience. That's why I'm not worried about prelims, na, because I know how to clear it. My concepts are clear, na. Yeah,
I know.
Experience now.
yeah. Now right.
You're very tired. है ना भाग्य?
Don't worry. After that you can sleep.
Tell.
Generally all the constitutional bodies gives report to bodies gives report to president at a national level. While while the constitutional bodies at state level gives report to governor. Now you guys tell me that
Constitutional body gives report to president.
State Public Service Commission gives report to whom?
Governor.
Is give report to president or national level of national level.
At national level.
At
Means the body at national level give report to the president. The body at a state level they will give report to the governor. Okay. Now
Report
tell me.
to last governor.
Yeah. Now tell me, State Finance Commission will give report to
State Finance Commission will give report to
Governor.
government, no? President.
Governor.
see say president.
Governor.
Governor because it's state level, na. Write the example. State Finance Commission gives report to
Finance.
governor, and while Finance Commission will give report to president.
Okay, what's happening? Commission give report to
President. Yes. And write next rule in that because it is related to that only.
in this only.
Yeah, no, not separately, but it is related with this. Rule number
11.
12.
12. Rule number 12, no? Generally, non-constitutional bodies are statutory bodies, you can say.
Non.
Generally, non-constitutional bodies or statutory bodies
Statutory bodies.
bodies gives report to central government at national level,
Central government.
at national level,
National level.
and state government at state level.
Acha, this only, no?
Yeah,
And state government.
state government at state level. It means you see, in the case of constitutional bodies, they give report to president at the national level and governor at the state level. But in the case of statutory or non-constitutional bodies, they give report to central government at national level and state government at the state level. This is very very important concept actually, because see the rules which I am telling na, 5 to 6 questions are fixed in the prelims UPSC out of 100 fixed. Yeah.
Example is this only, no? State Finance Commission giving report to government.
There can be more example, but I'm giving one example to understand only. Okay. Yes. And but okay. Now tell me, High Court judge will give report to whom?
High Court judge give report to Supreme. High
High-
Court
Governor.
High Court judge
Governor
will.
Governor, and why governor they give to? They don't give to governor.
That is
na?
constitutional body.
हाँ, तो
Constitutional
they won't be
body.
giving to governor, na?
Is it right or wrong? Governor.
Right. Then I will make it.
Ah.
Right.
Right, she's saying. Not right. He's saying right.
WRIT. It's okay. The service condition of non-constitutional bodies are statutory bodies.
रुको देंगे. Constitution. Bodies.
No, condition of non.
The service condition of non-constitutional bodies are statutory bodies.
Statutory.
Bodies are generally determined by central government at national level and state government at state level.
Institution bodies are same. No?
Yeah, institutional bodies are office, and but right here, but there is one exception. Like in chemistry, there is exception, na? So in the same way, it has also exception. But there is one exception. State information, the service condition of State Information Commission, the service condition of,
But there is one exception.
but there is one exception, State Information Commission,
Service condition of
right? The service condition of State Information Commission is determined by,
information.
Service commission.
रुक जाओ, you don't take pause, you keep on saying. Condition.
the service condition of State Information Commission
Okay.
is determined by central government.
Okay.
Got the point?
Huh.
Now explain you guys what you got the point.
Let me read once. I don't know. I didn't get this exception one point. Service
See,
condition. See, I can.
the bodies which are non-constitutional, right, are statutory bodies. So their service condition generally determined by central government, which are in central level, and state government which are in state level.
That I
But
understand.
State Information Commission, which is in state level, but their service condition determined by the central government, because this is exception.
Example, give me the State Information Commission example once.
It is exception actually. Have you got that? Have you got that?
You got that, no? State information, what it is? Last line of exception.
Statutory bodies. is
No,
the-
last line of example.
Okay,
Exception.
first write the example.
Example.
NHRC, National Human Rights Commission. It is in state level or national level?
National level.
National level. So the service condition will be determined by whom?
Central government.
Central government, right? Central government. Okay. Now write State Human Rights Commission below. Now tell me who will determine service condition?
State
government. Right? But in case of State Information Commission, it is exception. This is what I am
State
reading.
Information Commission is a body now.
What is
Yeah.
the second one? Second one you told? Second example, NHRC first, second is?
State.
SHRC, State Human Rights Commission.
Ah, okay. Service Commission is central
State government. It means
That I got it.
it means
That
the
I got it, the
it
section.
means the body which is at state level, their service conditions should be determined by the state government. But State Information Commission is in state level, but their service conditions determined by the central government. It is exception actually. This is actually what I want to tell you guys.
Acha.
Yeah, it is very very important actually. Even if you ask, okay, I will tell you later on this. Next. And the next, right? Yeah, the service condition of constitutional bodies.
Next rule or
Next rule. The service condition of constitutional bodies.
Service condition means what?
I will tell you. I will explain after this. The service condition of constitutional bodies.
constitutional?
Bodies at national level.
At national level.
National level determined by president. And
President
and at state level
at state
determined by governor. For example, Finance Commission, UPSC.
Commission.
They are all constitutional bodies, so their service conditions determined by the
Finance Commission.
President.
UPSC.
yeah by president. Finance Commission, UPSC, their service condition determined by the president.
What is service condition meaning?
I will explain first. Write the example. Then State Finance Commission,
Finance Commission and UPSC is determined by
President.
president, by president you can write by president, and then State Finance Commission by governor.
okay.
But there is exception, and you know UPSC loves to ask question from exception only. UPSC is very clever actually. They know that how to trap the student actually. and if I become a PSC member, then I will make more tough question actually. This
Let us become before that. Let us clear before that.
just imagine. Okay. Exception. The service condition of Supreme Court judge, High Court judge, Supreme Court judge, High Court judge, and CAG, Comptroller and Auditor General, CAG, CAG, are determined by
Commission auditor.
Comptroller, COMPTROLLER, Comptroller and Auditor General,
You tell the spelling again once.
COMPRO,
COM. Controller na. It's controller na.
C. नहीं controller not. It is not controller. It is
COM
CPRO.
T
नहीं COMP होगा then T.
Comptroller.
Yeah. Comptroller. Let me check once.
Controller.
Give me your tab once.
Controller.
Give.
COMPTRO.
हाँ तो this is what I'm telling ना.
No. Oh my god.
COMPTRO ना.
No. You skip this one.
Comptroller.
See, what he said? You say?
COMPTRO.
नहीं TOR.
Ah.
COMPTROLLER.
Comptroller.
Comptroller and Auditor General. Auditor.
Controller. Oh Billy.
Comptroller and Auditor General. है ना? Determined by Parliament. These are the three only bodies whom service condition determined by Parliament. Please mind it, guys. Yeah.
We can say controller also.
Comptroller.
Controller.
You can see anything for your convenience.
No.
What is a comptroller meaning?
Question na service condition. Now here security of tenure will come into the picture. Please understand it carefully. See.
Done with rules.
No, not rules. It is a just see.
She is asking rules are completed.
Not completed, but I am making you understand. See, service condition. Do you know what it means? It means कि if these bodies do have some, suppose that corruption or misbehavior, incapacity, right? So these bodies can be removed by particular person. For example, president, parliament, state government, central government, a governor. Now you guys tell Central Information Commission. The service condition of Central Information Commission will be determined by
Central.
Information Commission.
Where will government?
President, central.
Central na हाँ president. Central is president. The state one is governor, right?
I'm not happy actually.
One second. You tell exception क्या? Exception is
From you as a response, I'm not happy.
Now
at
you
all.
are saying na constitutional body or
Read
president na.
exception.
So
na.
is
It is
Central
even central
Information
government.
Commission is a
Central
not
government.
constitutional body. It is a non-constitutional body. Okay?
So we done the
Okay,
central
non-constitutional body. Okay.
Central government.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's an exception, right?
So
No,
see.
no, not exception. State Information Commission.
नहीं
is-
भाई इधर इसी ही wrote ना exception one. It is a part of exception.
No.
Part of this one is State
State
Information
Information
Commission. It is center.
Commission.
I think you have not slept properly yesterday, right?
No, I
You
didn't.
need
I
a
slept
good
for 3
sleep
hours.
actually. You need a good sleep.
I woke up early ना.
Yeah, that's why I can understand. But it's okay.
No, you are making me stupid. Okay.
No, nothing like that.
अरे यार, I
I
don't
consider
know.
you guys one of the most intelligent one.
भाग्या come back.
Yeah, really. I consider you guys. That's why I'm teaching you guys, na.
Okay.
But, yeah. Okay. So see what do you mean by service condition? It means कि their tenure, right? Their salary can be determined by these office. This is called service condition, right? So now tell me what is security of tenure, because the person who have security of tenure na, it means their service condition cannot be determined by any
Central
bodies.
government or state government.
Yeah, or president or governor. Their service condition can be determined by only parliament.
Parliament.
So these bodies have only security of tenure. And now write next rules. There is only one body which have security of tenure, and that is CAG, Comptroller and Auditor General. Don't look there because there are some other things are written.
अच्छा.
Yeah. It is about to end, don't worry.
Huh?
It is about to end. Now she is happy, see.
It is?
It is about to come to an end.
She's also happy. See her happiness.
No.
अच्छा.
See, so now see, there is only one body which have security
Why
of
don't
tenure.
you keep it in morning, huh?
I will
Why?
keep it in some other day when, because you have class, na, that's
हाँ.
why. Yeah.
दिमाग खराब.
क्या बोला?
दिमाग खराब.
Oh, she speak in Hindi as well.
Started learning bad words first.
Yeah.
Hindi.
दिमाग means mind. खराब means
Disturbed.
disturbed.
हाँ.
What's wrong with
दिमाग खराब कर रही हो.
that? What's
You're
wrong
disturbing
with?
my mind.
No. Yeah.
Forgive her.
Forgive.
Oh. Concern.
Okay, so see, there is only one body. Next rule, right? There is only one body which have security of tenure as per the Constitution of India.
On body.
There is only one body or office
Security.
in India as per the Constitution of India.
For security of tenure. There is only one body for security of tenure.
There is only one body which have security of tenure as per the Constitution of India, and that is what? CAG,
CAG.
Comptroller and Auditor General.
Security of tenure. Security of tenure.
CAG. Comptroller.
Which have
There is
security.
only one body in India which has security of tenure as per the Constitution of India.
Auditor General. ये वो
Yes, ask.
there is only one body which has security of tenure.
CAG. That is CAG.
Security of tenure. You explained us, na? Security of tenure.
Yeah. So this is very important because this question has been asked by the forum recently. It was all India mock test, and you know, there were 3 friends of mine. All have done wrong except me.
अच्छा, you didn't.
Yeah. because I have made the rules, na. And don't worry, you guys also won't commit mistake because I'm telling these things. I'm telling these things in the initial stage.
High Court judge will give report to whom?
What are you doing? Making it dirty?
That
Highlighting it?
Say.
High Court judge will give report to whom?
High Court, I know.
Judge.
Actually, you didn't tell us, na? High Court judge.
I said na governor.
But
He
The
just
service
mute.
the service condition of High Court judge will be determined by.
governor.
Yeah.
No.
Constitutional body na.
Wait, na.
So central state government.
I don't think so. Governor will be there. State government, like state government or central government, na.
What have you highlighted here? Highlighted.
High Court judge. Parliament.
Parliament. अच्छा, हाँ,
There are
parliament,
3
parliament.
board. There
Okay,
are
okay.
3 office.
You told us parliament.
Then really, yeah. Today I can
This is
forgive.
service condition na. I am asking na.
So
you
report also.
Ah.
Report also to Parliament
What is
only.
service commission you tell?
Service commission I told na. Tenure, salary and all.
Ah, okay. Then
Yeah.
then report is what?
Report means, see, if they are finding any investigation,
Ah.
so after investigation they
That
will.
is also give to parliament only.
Yeah.
Na? Okay.
Report is also given as
Today only I am forgiving. Okay. Next day I will not forgive you guys if you commit mistake like that. Okay. Because I know that today you guys are exhausted. That's why I can forgive. Yeah, please, really, yaar. I want active participation.
We are active. See, we are. Otherwise, we.
And I want you guys there.
But you are there.
There
na?
means what? Yeah.
No.
What
See,
we reach there?
and I want that you guys go more than
Go up.
more than I.
But you are already there. We shouldn't cross our mentor.
So
na?
don't worry. No.
should be lower than our
but for you guys, I will be below. Don't worry. I can sacrifice.
Oh.
Now see.
my God.
Yeah.
Rule 15 completed.
How
Now
much?
rule
What time?
8:40.
You will go there. Gear reached or gear eaten?
I don't know.
Ask her.
Mm. See. The important things I think. Okay. What is this? Okay. Next thing. Right. Next rules. I think this is going to be the last one. Now Priyal is happy that I'm going to last.
No, yaar. You are
It's
telling,
okay, it's
giving
okay.
you very valuable
Yeah.
lessons to.
No, but really, please understand because
We
this
will
is
read
actually.
it after going
ac-
back.
Yeah.
I
Actually.
will connect with the
Yeah, I will ask as well. Don't worry. In current petition, I will ask this. Don't worry.
today.
Not today. In the meantime, I will ask that. Okay. Now see, if anybody come in the newspaper, now I will just select. Okay, it is body of which type. First thing I will ask.
Huh.
Okay. Next rules.
You done no? Newspaper also.
Yeah. No, but right now I will not do because she's exhausted. Na. I will do at 11.
You are
I
studying
getting sleep now at 11 o'clock.
11. How much time you will like take?
Up
After
to
going
11,
back,
11:30.
first eat. Go and eat something. Na you.
Every
Yeah.
day I will get sleep.
Why at
I'm
11?
drowsy.
You don't study after 11 o'clock.
That time is not good for me.
Why?
But today
We can
she.
do it,
But
You
today.
you know na. That
But today
time
she
I
will be with you, na. So you will get up.
No, she will sleep. She will go. She
You
want
stay
to
with her
go.
today.
Today I will go.
Okay. So you manage today. At 10:30 is okay.
Before time.
Oi, don't do before 10 na. Bhagya, listen to me. Let's do after 11. When you sleep, at what time you sleep?
You fix the alarm.
No, wait,
Fix
wait,
the
wait.
alarm.
At what time you sleep?
No, no.
What time you